All right, so figure 5.14 shows the mortality due to 4 serious diseases that have changed since 1900 as measured as deaths per in these diseases per 100,000 people. What was the death rate for the cardiovascular disease in 1980? Discuss the general trends visible on the graph. So each disease has its own color-coded region or wedge, identified in the key in the upper right. The thickness of any wedge tells you the time, its value at that time. So for 1980, the cardiovascular wedge extends from about 180 to 620 on the vertical axis, so its thickness is about 440. Therefore, the death rate in 1980 for cardiovascular disease was about 440 deaths per 1,000 people. So let me answer that first. What was the death rate? Um, Death rate in 1980 would be 620 minus 180, which is 440. 440, and that's 440 deaths per 100,000 people. Okay, so 440 deaths per 100,000 people. So discuss the general trends that you see in the graph. So you're looking at trends in death rates. So what are we seeing here? It looks like over time that it looks like I don't know where we want to start. I guess we could start at cancer maybe. Um, as time has as time has gone by, maybe we'll say the deaths due to cancer, you see how the wedge has gotten larger for cancer, has increased. Tuberculosis, basically. Tuberculosis decreased, and it looks like pneumonia. The deaths due to tuberculosis, better be careful how I spell that, and pneumonia have decreased, and the deaths due to cardiovascular, so that one's kind of fluctuated. I'll say cardiovascular issues, has increased, then decreased. So you see how it got larger and then it got smaller. Okay, so this is through 2015. So that kind of gives you an idea. And it also, I was looking at the cancer. It looks like cancer has decreased since the mid 1990s. So that's a kind of a positive thing there. So I might need to add, has decreased slightly since the mid 1990s. Okay, I was not paying attention, but I saw that little decrease there as well. But for the most part, you kind of get an idea. As the wedges have gotten less thick, and that means the deaths have decreased. As the wedges get thicker, they think that means the deaths per 100,000 people is increased.